So we've got flour, sugar, butter, an egg, broth, and rose water. And first we're going to mix our flour and the sugar. And then we'll add our egg, or half of it, as I did. And our butter. Rose water. And our broth. Now we're going to knead this until we get a nice ball of dough. My dough was a bit too wet, so I added some extra flour. This extra flour is accounted for in the ingredients list. And when it's a nice ball of dough, we're going to let it rest while we make our filling. For which we'll need apples, butter, sugar, fennel seed, anise, ginger, and cinnamon, and water. And first we're going to peel and core our apples, which we are then going to cut into slices. And then we're going to the stovetop. And on the stovetop in our pan we're going to melt some butter. And to this we're going to add our wine. And when the butter's all melted, we're going to add our apples. I let this stew for about an hour. You could go longer, but I was losing the daylight, so I just stuck with the hour. You can see if your apples are done with a fork. If you can stab in with them without any resistance, they're done. And once the apples are done, we're going to pass them through a sieve, put them in a bowl, and add our spices. And mix them through. Then we're going to roll out our dough on a flour worktop and put it in our floured and buttered baking tin. Now we're going to prick a couple of holes in it and pre-bake it for about 15 minutes. Now that's done, we're going to put in our filling. Then we'll roll out our pie lid and put this over our pie. Now we're going to prick some air vents, and after that we're going to sprinkle some sugar on top. You can also add some more sugar in the pie or some extra butter if you wanted to. And then we're going to bake it in the oven for about 30 minutes on 180 degrees Celsius. And it's pretty good. The main flavors you get are the fennel seeds and the anise. And in my personal opinion, it's better cold than it is warm, but the crust has a really good rich flavor to it.